Now moving on to next topic in hydrodynamics, we are going to study about how viscosity changes. See, viscosity is a factor which depends on physical factors like temperature and pressure. So how viscosity of fluids, what are fluids? We consider liquid and gas into fluids, right? So we are going to study about the change in viscosity with a change in temperature and pressure for both liquid and gases. First of all, with increase in temperature, the viscosity of liquids decrease, okay? Because what do you mean by viscosity? Viscosity is actually depending on how dense the liquid is, because the denser the medium, more will be the molecular forces of attraction, and hence when you give the temperature to that whole liquid, what's going to happen? Interatomic forces are going to get weakened, and hence there will be an easy flow of liquid layers from one over another. That is why viscosity decreases with increase in temperature. So it is given by Slot equation. The equation says that viscosity, this is the coefficient of viscosity at temperature T, viscosity, coefficient of viscosity at original temperature. So this is initial temperature, this is final temperature, 1 plus alpha T plus beta T square. So this is the Slot equation for change in viscosity. These are the coefficient of viscosities at temperature T0 and T, right? And alpha and beta are constants. So you can see that viscosity ultimately decreases with increase in temperature. This is the case for liquids, right? But in gases, viscosity increases with, so I'll write it down, viscosity increases with increase in temperature. That is because of the fact that in case of gases, viscosity is directly proportional to the square root of absolute temperature of the gas, right? So that is why if you increase the temperature, absolute temperature of or overall random temperature, the mean temperature of the gas is going to increase, and hence it will increase the viscosity of the gas. Now pressure, when we increase the value of pressure for liquid, I'll write it down, this was for the gas, and first case for liquid, with increase in pressure, viscosity of liquids also increase, right? So you increase in pressure will make viscosity to also increase. This is applicable for all liquids except water. With increase in pressure, viscosity of water decreases, right? So this is for all liquids, and this is only for water because water has an anomalous behavior, right? Second, for gases, with increase in pressure, viscosity of gases remains unchanged because pressure has no effect on viscosity of gases. So that will remain unchanged even if you increase or decrease the pressure of gas. So variation in viscosity, we have four things. Number one, viscosity is depending on physical factors like pressure and temperature. With increase in temperature, liquids viscosity decrease, whereas for gases it increases. With increase in pressure, the viscosity of liquid increases, but for water it decreases, and viscosity of gas is independent of change in pressure.